Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and you are tuned in to the 591 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Our first story today from CNBC TV 18 highlights a powerful, compassionate shift in health insurance just in time for World Stroke Day. Insurers are now widening their focus beyond just the initial hospitalization, recognizing that true recovery is a long journey. This is a wonderful and reassuring development for policyholders. For too long, the coverage for critical illnesses like a stroke would end with the hospital bill, leaving families to grapple with the immense costs of long-term rehabilitation, physiotherapy, and ongoing care. Now, insurers are actively designing policies that cover this crucial next chapter. This holistic approach to healing ensures that the financial safety net extends throughout the entire recovery process, alleviating a huge burden and allowing patients to focus on what truly matters, reclaiming their health and quality of life. It is a profound evolution that puts the long-term well-being of the policyholder at the very heart of the insurance promise. Up next, we turn to Livmin for a story about protecting the very roof over your head. The article makes a compelling case for why home and property insurance are not just a product, but an absolute necessity in India today. Your home is more than just bricks and mortar. It is a repository of your dreams, your hard-earned savings, and your family's future. Yet, it remains one of the most underinsured assets in the country. This needs to change. A comprehensive home insurance policy acts as a crucial shield against life's uncertainties, be it natural disasters like floods and earthquakes, or unforeseen events like fires and theft. It ensures that a single calamity doesn't wipe away a lifetime of effort. By embracing home insurance, you are not just buying a policy, you are investing in unshakable peace of mind, safeguarding your sanctuary, and securing your family's foundation against any eventuality. Our next update from Midday is for all the proud owners of high-end and luxury cars. It spotlights a critical aspect of car insurance that goes beyond the basics: the importance of add-on covers for expensive vehicles. When you drive a premium car, a standard insurance policy often falls short of covering the true cost of repairs. A minor dent could mean a huge expense for replacing high-tech sensors or specialized parts. This is where add-on covers become your strategic ally. Options like zero depreciation ensure you get the full claim amount without factoring in depreciation, while an engine protect cover safeguards the heart of your car. For the ultimate peace of mind, a return to invoice cover can even refund the entire invoice value of your car in case of a total loss. These are not just extras. They are essential tools to ensure your prized possession is truly and comprehensively protected, matching the level of coverage to the value of your asset. And for our final story today, we turn to the Hindu Business Line for a game-changing development that is revolutionizing the customer experience. Tata AIA Life Insurance has launched a new underwriting rule engine powered by generative AI, ushering in a new era of speed and efficiency. Imagine applying for a life insurance policy and getting approval almost instantly without the long waits and endless paperwork. This is the promise of Gen AI. By leveraging this cutting-edge technology, Tata AIA is transforming the traditionally complex underwriting process into a seamless, and almost instantaneous experience. This intelligent system can assess applications with remarkable speed and accuracy, cutting through the red tape and delivering policies to customers when they need them. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.